So I thought we'd move into something with a slightly different atmospheric condition. Over the next few videos, I'll be looking at one of Logic's MIDI editors, the piano roll editor. Among other things, we can use it to get MIDI data into a track without playing our MIDI keyboard. First, I'll cover some of the basics about using the editor and configuring it, and then, after using the pencil tool to draw in notes, we'll edit notes' velocity, pitch, duration, constrain them to scales, and more. So I'm looking for a section where we can add a part that might be kind of difficult to play. Wonder what's going to happen in this upcoming B section. Let's take a listen. Okay, good enough. Let's zoom in. It's always good to cycle the area that you want to work on, especially when you're trying to get ideas the way we'll be doing. The patch I'm going to use is a stack. It's 4 layers grouped together. It's the same as the track above with just a slight variation. Logic is still largely region-based. So in order to use any of the MIDI editors, we have to be working within a MIDI region. But I don't have a MIDI region. I haven't recorded one yet. You can create an empty MIDI region by using the pencil tool, or just right-click and choose this command. I'll just move it to the start of this region and use the pointer resize tool to stretch it out. Logic contains several different MIDI editors: the piano roll editor, score editor, event list editor, and the step editor. Double-clicking on a region is the fastest way to open a MIDI editor. Go to Preferences, General, Editing tab. The piano roll editor gets the most used most of the time by most of the people, so it's the default, but you can choose any of the 4 types. That's grooving. I'm going to double click to open it. When you open a piano roll editor, you may or may not see these various elements open or closed at any given time. The bottom area is the MIDI Draw section. It's closed by default in a new project, but it'll remember if it's been left open. Under the Local View menu is the option to toggle the Local Inspector. So I'll keep our local inspector open, but I'll close our main Windows inspector. That'll give us more horizontal working space. Now you can grab a separator between the 2 areas and expand the size of the piano roll window. The piano roll editor in Logic is always in something they call content link mode. When you select a MIDI region in the main window, you will see that region's contents in the piano roll editor. So I select the electric piano region, and I see a series of lines representing note pitch, duration, and velocity. Select another MIDI region, see that region's contents. Now I'll select our empty region. Pressing the letter Z works the same as the main window. If nothing else is selected, the entire contents of the window or the region will zoom to fit. One more detail, we have horizontal and vertical zoom here, again just like the main window. Well, we've finally gotten the basics out of the way. I'm itching to make some real music. We'll do that in the next video.